Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 1 Series battery safely and efficiently. Before we begin, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear rubber safety gloves and protective eyewear. Make sure your car is completely off, with the keys out of the ignition and the parking brake firmly set. The battery is usually found in the trunk, often on the right side, beneath the carpet. You will need a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, let's disconnect the electricals. This is a critical step. Always start by loosening and removing the negative battery terminal first, using your 10mm wrench. Once disconnected, carefully move this cable away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Be sure to secure both cables so they cannot touch any metal parts of the car. Some BMWs also have a small power distribution box, or module, that needs to be unlatched from the battery top. With the terminals safely disconnected, it is time to unfasten the battery. Locate and remove the hold-down bracket, which might be secured by a 13mm bolt or a Phillips head screw. If your battery has a small vent hose, gently detach it from the side. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be aware that these batteries are quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so lift with care. Remember, do not close your trunk while the battery is removed, as it may not reopen without power. After removing the old battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it with the hold-down bracket. When reconnecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten both terminals firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, be aware that some BMW 1 Series vehicles may require the new battery to be registered with the car's computer system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.